The Rocking Al Show.
9 ways to take responsibility for your life. Replace blaming and complaining with acts of intention.
We often hear to take 100% responsibility for our life. What is the big deal about it? The big deal is that it moves you from victim to victor of your life. It puts you at cause and not at effect, meaning that you accept that you create your life and not just reacting to it. You appreciate that things happen to you and not to you. Taking responsibility puts you at choice, and that allows you to choose how to respond to life's challenges. You move into the driver's seat of your life's journey. Most of all, taking 100% responsibility changes your energy, and the practices described here put you in higher vibrating mind-body states. As you know, we are energy. Our thoughts, feelings, words, and actions are energy, and law of attraction brings us more of what we think and feel. It merely matches the energy of your thoughts and feelings with experiences that will give you the same energy. Now, when you broadcast thoughts that result in you feeling good, the law of attraction responds by bringing you the experiences that will confirm you feeling good. So it pays to take responsibility of your life. Do you agree? Let's explore 9 ways how this looks in everyday life, including your business. Number 1, take responsibility for your thoughts, feelings, words, and actions. To take responsibility for your life is to take responsibility for your powers of thinking, feeling, speaking, and acting, because this is the structure of all human experience. You create your life with your thoughts, feelings, words, and actions. You take responsibility when you accept that the thoughts you have are your thoughts coming from your mind. How you feel happens in your body, and as a result of your thoughts. The words you speak come from your mouth and voice. The actions you take are taken by you. What this means is that nobody can make you think, feel, say, or do anything. Nobody can push your buttons because you are the button maker. In the same way, you don't have control over how other people respond as they respond from your mindset. Number 2, stop blaming. Stop blaming your partner, parents, economy, your upbringing, or the dog of your misfortune. Blaming keeps you in victim mode and robs you of changing your situation. When you stop blaming and accept responsibility, you shift from victim to victor. Now you can look at the situation and decide what to do about it. Ask yourself, what is my role in this? Number 3, stop complaining. Complaining is another form of blaming and playing victim as if you have no choice. It also shows that you focus on lack, things going wrong, things happening to you. In everything not going according to plan, there is a gift, there's a bigger picture. Ask yourself, what is the gift here? What can I learn from this? Number 4, refuse to take anything personal. This is a biggie. Assuming that everything is about you. Taking any form of disagreement is a personal attack. Remember, you don't have control over how other people respond. You only have control over how you respond. Refuse to take anything personal. It is most probably not about you, but about the issue at hand. Instead of making assumptions, rather ask questions. This is a very powerful and liberating practice with never-ending surprises. Ask yourself, is this about me or the issue at hand? Number 5, make yourself happy. Taking responsibility for your happiness is liberating. Firstly, realize that happiness does not come from outside of you. It is not your job of your partner, parent, friends, child to make you happy. To be happy is a decision and the gateway to happiness is gratitude. Keep a gratitude journal, and you will find lots to be happy about. Also, do things that make you feel happy. Listen to your favorite music. Surround yourself with beauty. Express your creativity. Do acts of kindness, etc. Ask yourself, what about this could make me happy? Number 6. Live in the present moment. Life is now. There is only one moment, now. The past is history. The future is a mystery. So there is only now, this moment. Take responsibility for this moment and make the best of it to redeem the past and create the future you want. Be the gatekeeper of your thoughts and refuse to have a rerun of the same 60,000 thoughts of yesterday if they do not get what you want in life. Choose your thoughts carefully in every moment, and when you become present, you have the awareness of what you are thinking and feeling. This then allows you to interrupt thoughts that do not serve you. Deliberately change them in the moment to what you want to create in that moment to shape your future. Ask a choice. Become intentional in making choices by having a vision in mind. A vision for your life, your business, your relationship, your health, wealth, etc. Living intentionally by deliberately making choices to move you forward towards manifesting your vision or outcomes is consciously taking responsibility for your life. Ask, is saying yes to this moving me towards my goal? Number 8, feel calm and confident. When you take responsibility for your life and experience, you step into a place of calm confidence. You feel calm because you know that you are consciously in charge of yourself and that you can choose how you respond. You feel confident that you will not fall into victim mode by sucking up other people's verbal vomit. They can keep those gifts. Ask yourself, what do I choose to accept from this conversation, and how do I choose to respond? Number 9, look for the good in people. There's a saying that we judge ourselves by our intentions and we judge others by their behavior. Make it your new habit to look for the intentions behind people's behavior. So often when we understand where someone comes from, we let go of judgment. One excellent practice is to remove the labels we hang on to people like bibs around their necks, and that somehow gives us permission to treat them in the worst possible way. Often this applies to the people closest to us. Ask yourself, if I just see him or her as a human being, how will I respond differently? Another effective practice is listening to understand instead of listening to respond. This means to practice asking questions to really understand what the other person means, instead of waiting for a chance to interrupt and voice your important opinion. This allows you to take responsibility to intentionally have illuminating conversations and fulfilling relationships, because the person that you are talking to will appreciate your attention, like and trust you, and support you in return. I hope you found this podcast informative. If you have any comments about this or the other episodes, please comment where available or send them to the Rocky Nell Show at rockynellentertainment.ca. I'll be looking forward to reading them. You can also hear the podcast from other apps. Go to www.rock103.ca/apps, where you can download your favorite apps to your devices. Until next time, goodbye everybody. The Rocky Nell Show.